Hello friends, in this video I gonna show you how to customize caption size and style for apps and sites in your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So firstly, click on start, type caption, click on closed captions, make your device easier to use without sound by displaying audio as text. From here you can change color like here we can see caption color blue, green, black, white. So select color, caption transparency, so it's semi transparent, complete transparent. Caption style, and also you can change caption size, 200%, so it's a bigger size. Caption effect, raised, uniform or depressed. Also you can change caption background color like black. And there are some more options to change your live or closed captions in your Windows. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple steps we can know how to customize and change font and style for captions. Thanks for watching.